everyone, my name is Jessica Passage. I'm one of the customer success managers here at Design Everest. Today I wanted to talk about how we can support you through any addition project, any interior, exterior remodel to your house or any other structure that you have on your property, and how we can really take you from the very beginning to the very end of your project in full support. So typically with an addition or remodel to your house, there's three sets of things that you need. So one, you're going to need a design set of plans. Two, you're going to need a structural set of plans. And three, you're going to need Title 24. We do that all as a part of our one company, as a one-stop shop to take care of all the plans necessary to ultimately get you a permit, so that you can take those same sets of plans that get permitted with the city or county and take that to a contractor outside of Design Everest, and then bid that out to find the person that, one, you trust, and two, can give you a competitive bid so that you can get this project done. There's three things that go into how our thought process is going to work in order to have a successful project for you. One, what's code compliant? Two, what's cost effective? And three, what's going to meet your needs at the end of the day so that you can have a great project through the process with us, through the city or county permitting process, and through the construction phase. Time is money, and so you want to invest and you want a team that's going to do you good from the very beginning. Quality at the start is going to save you money in the long run, where you'll spend the bulk of your money, which is in the construction phase. So doing that right from the start is going to have lots of leaps and bounds for you when it really counts at the construction phase. What we do in our process is we always start with design. So with design, typically most homeowners don't have original plans or anything from when the house was built, which is totally okay, because our designer is going to come on site. We're going to get existing as-builts of your home as it is today. And then with that exactness that we take from the start, we're going to create you a schematic design. That schematic design can be reviewed and revised in order to fit your needs and ultimately get to what you want for us to take to a permit level. And when that time comes, we'll create that design set for city submission or county submission, which usually includes your site plan, your existing and proposed floor plans, sections, elevations, detail sheets, things along those lines that are included in that design set. While that designer is putting that set together, typically if something structural is getting modified within the house with an addition or a load-bearing wall removal, we'll also need to do a structural site survey. And what that means is our engineer or drafter who can gather structural details will map out how things are built within the house as it is today. Just because the design plans are dimensional, they don't tell you how something's built. So we really need to grasp that information so that we can create the calculations and drawings by the structural engineer accurately and precisely. So which will then mitigate any issues at construction, because we did take existing conditions, so contractors can then follow along. So the structural engineer will take those design backgrounds from the designer. We'll take those structural as-builts that tell you how things are built. And then we'll create those plans, foundation framing, floor framing, any roof framing, unless it's going to be pre-manufactured roof trusses, and then the supporting calculations that justify how that's going to be done and built. So at this point, we have your design set, we have your structural set. The last thing that's done, if you're doing an exterior remodel with doors or windows or doing an addition, is Title 24. Title 24 are energy standards, which is complied basically off the design. So when you go to pick out doors, windows, insulate, HVAC, cooling, heating, any of those things that will be required for that new addition or exterior, we want to make sure it meets a bare minimum specification that passes with the state. So it usually doesn't take more than a couple days. Once that's certified, those sheets get attached to the design set for a complete submittal package with your design and Title 24 for planning submission. Then you have your structural plans for the building department submission. Once those plans are completed and you have that green light that you give us, those plans you can then submit to the city. And then, like I said towards the beginning of the video, is we'll address any city comments that are in relation to the scope of the project that we took care of for you. So we can help you get that permit, which is everyone's goal. And then once that permit is received, you'll pick up that permit. And then, you know, once you hire your contractor, we'll support them as well. So think of us as really someone from the initial design development all the way until that last nail's in the wall. We definitely want to take care of you and be in full support. So that's what we want to do there. So again, one-stop shop for all your design, your engineering, your Title 24, for your additions, remodels, you name it, anything with that house or any other structure you're wanting to change or add on to, we're going to be able to take you from beginning to end. You don't need to hire additional companies or have companies do the design that you signed up with and then it goes to some other company you have no idea about. You know what you're getting with Design Everest, and we're your one team to help guide you from beginning to end. And we'd love to help you and discuss your project. Just if it's a basic idea, that's okay. We can build upon that with you, and that's why you would hire us, because we can develop that basic idea to something great that you would have never expected you could get out of that. So please reach out to us. Let's chat. We'd love to have a call or email. You can email us info@designeverest.com. You can check out our website, designeverest.com. My email is also jessica@designeverest.com, and we would love to learn more about your project. I appreciate your time, and we look forward to helping you with your next project. Thanks so much.